Another common mistake within self-haircutters is that when they're going in to cut their hair, they're not recognizing where the part line is in their hair, right? The part line is basically the part of your haircut that separates the side and the top, all right? So your part line is typically the corners of your head right in here. It separates the sides from the top, all right? Very simple, but a lot of people make the mistake of when they've got their clippers, maybe they have, let's say, the number 3 guard on, they're going up, right? You want to, let's say you want to leave the length on top. You've got the clipper here, you're going up, but then you start to go into the top of your head with the clipper. Of course, it might be by accident, but you don't want to do that, right? If you want to have a haircut with a certain shape to it, you don't want to cut into the curvature of your head and cut all the hair and push through the part line, right? Your part line is basically the part that separates where you should cut and where you shouldn't cut. It's typically the zone right in the corner of your head that separates the sides to the top. I said that 20 times, I'll say it 20 times more, okay? But here's how you fix it, all right? Here's how you fix it. And this is where, you know, you could figure out, I'll show you guys how to do in more detail, but for the most part, duck clips, all right? Duck clips is how you fix going up and cutting the hair on top by accident, all right? You don't want to do that. You don't want to do it. So duck clips, I'll show you guys how to utilize duck clips in a separate video, but where is your part line? If I push aside my hair right here, right? Typically, everybody's got a hairline. It'll go straight across on their forehead, and then at some point, it'll drop down, right? Typically, right where it drops down, the corner, so you can see my corner is right here. So it's straight, and then it drops down, right? It drops down here, and then it makes the little C-cut motion. So this part here, and then again over here. If you were to draw a straight line going up your head from the corner right in here, that's your part line, right? Very simple. I'll show you guys this a little bit more in a future video on how exactly to utilize the duck clips. But again, this is just the information part where I'm just telling you these are mistakes that you need to avoid. And if you're writing notes, this is definitely something that you want to incorporate in those notes. So how do you avoid cutting the hair on top by accident? Utilizing duck clips and recognizing where your part line is on your head.